All right, today I have a Lysol Cling Gel, and I'm going to show you how to open the Cling Gel. So here is the bottle right here. This is used for cleaning the toilets. You see I have my toilet right here. I'm not going to show you how to clean the toilet right now, just how to open this up and get to using it. So you have the bottle. I have the Lysol Cling Gel. This is the fresh scent, which is long lasting. And what I'm going to do is basically just go ahead and take this right here, and you see this knob right here. I'm going to take it, and if you look up closely, you'll see in an area. Let me see if I can get in closer so you can see this a little bit, a little bit better. There's areas where it shows where to squeeze. It says squeeze right there, and there is over here. So there's like a little nub right here, or I don't know what you call this, grip or whatever it is on here. And what you're going to do is you have one on either side. You have one right here, so you're going to place a thumb right here and the pointer finger on the other one. Now you want to make sure that this is pointed upwards and you're not squeezing on the bottle, because if you do that, you'll get some that sprays out. So once you have this, I am going to take my thumb on this area right over here and my pointer finger on the other one right here, and I'm going to squeeze it like this, like pinch it, and then I'm going to turn it. And when I turn it, you see that knob in there goes down, and I'm able to dispense it. And when I'm done, just go back to where the nubs are, and then go like this, spin it clockwise, and it closes. You see that? It comes up, it closes. So I'm going to open it, and I'm going to dispense it so you can see some of it go out in the toilet. So I'm going to have it, it's open. And you see it open, and it's clinging just like it said it would. And when I'm done, make sure you have some gloves on when you're doing this, okay? You don't want to get this on your skin, okay? Gonna take it, squeeze both sides, close it. It actually clicked, and that nub is right there, indicating that it's closed and nothing can come out. Now it's important to read the user manual on this and abide by that 100% and not necessarily rely on this video before you use this product. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.